If you lose your Cash App card, the first thing to know is that you can easily report it lost or stolen right within the Cash App itself. This is important because once you report your card missing, Cash App will immediately deactivate your old card to prevent any unauthorized use. To do this, you simply open the app, go to the Card tab, select Get Card Support, then choose Report Card Issue, and finally select either Card Stolen or Missing. After following these steps, you can order a replacement card directly through the app. Ordering a new Cash App card is free, and once you place the request, your replacement card usually arrives within about 7 to 14 business days. While you wait, you can still use your Cash App balance digitally by entering your new card details for online purchases, as the new card's information becomes active as soon as you order it, even before the physical card arrives. When your new card arrives, you'll need to activate it in the app, either by scanning a QR code or entering the CVV code manually, just like you did with your original card. It's also worth noting that if you want to customize your replacement card, like choosing a new color or adding an emoji, Cash App offers that option for a small fee, but simply reordering your existing card design is free. Lastly, always make sure to keep your mailing address updated in the app so your new card is sent to the right place. In short, losing your Cash App card isn't the end of the world. You can quickly report it lost or stolen through the app, get your old card deactivated for security, and order a free replacement that arrives within a couple of weeks. Meanwhile, your Cash App account remains active and ready to use digitally, keeping your money accessible and secure until your new card arrives. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.